if you look at the social media, ang sinasabi nila, meeting between two puppets. So ngayon yun ang mababasa mo yan sa lahat ng ng social media in and out of the country. Ang term nga ng mga tao is there's a meeting of the two puppets daw ng United States. Yun ang mga lumalabas sa social media and be neutral. In the very first place, if you want other Asia Pacific region, if you preach in the Shangri-La dialogue na, kayo Asia Pacific region, dapat tayo ay maging neutral. You have to do it first. How are you gonna do it? Take away all the EDCA sites, especially the additional one.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Kasi that makes you the proxy and the Asia Pacific region.
Yun yung nag-trigger no?
Yun talaga yun So ang tanong
Ngayon,
ko, bakit ka magpipreach sa Asia Pacific region now, we need to be neutral, we need to be on the side of peace? How can you be neutral when your foreign policy is leaning to the United States? And even in the Shangri-La, you even advocate for the United States